I'm going to show you a trick that I used on the block when I first got it before I took it to the machine shop to make it more manageable at the house. So, you know, there's these expensive degreasers and stuff like that, but what I like to use, oven cleaner from the dollar store. It's pretty strong. Back up, Breezy, go over there. My puppies. Put them inside once I spray this. So, I'm getting this ready. This whole bay is going to get, you know, primed and all that good stuff. So this is just some like initial cleaning. I might take more stuff off of it. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna let that set for a minute. And then I have this toilet brush cleaner. Man, that stuff's strong. I'm going to put the dogs in. So, I got this one because if you spin it, it's even on the top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it about where my thumb is so I can put it in a drill and I'll hit the entire engine bay with a spinny brush. So instead of pressure washing, I'll be able to give it more of like a scrub. So let me go ahead, go cut this, and then I'll come back and we'll start scrubbing it out. Alright, so I have this in the drill. You can see some dirt right there. You saw this was pretty bad. Just want to get a close-up of this. Do you see the dirt right there? Alright, well, I'm going to keep on doing this, but you get the general idea. Major difference. Huh. You can see my bare metals coming through there. Alright. That's fine, because I wanted to redo this with a different primer anyway. I'm going to redo this with some like rust encapsulator. I don't want to have to redo this down the road. We'll see what happens though. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Oh, look at that dirt. Alright, I'm gonna keep on.